All right, Acts 21. I got some questions for you guys. The Apostle Paul. All right, he's the one who helped found Christianity and spread it outside of Israel into the Mediterranean, into the lower parts of Europe. Okay, so he is coming back from a missionary journey going to Jerusalem. And the ship stops in the ship stops in Tyre. In Tyre, some disciples, people who've been led to Christ, probably from his ministry, they come to him, and in the Spirit, they tell him not to go to Jerusalem. I want to be very careful. Exactly, they said through the Spirit not to go up. Going up is always, Jerusalem is always up. All right, so they're telling him in the Spirit not to go, but he goes anyway. He gets into the next port, which is Caesarea, and Agabus comes up from Jerusalem and takes Paul's belt, wraps it around Paul's feet and his arms, and he says, if you go to Jerusalem, you're going to be bound up and taken to Rome. Now, Agabus doesn't tell him one way or the other, but if you notice, in Tyre, he was told not to go, and that was through the Spirit. So my question is, was Paul being disobedient? Or were these prophets not so right on? Kind of like modern day prophetic movement where people are learning, quote unquote, learning how to prophesy. Or, let's see here, what do you think? You tell me. In today's world, if Paul were to go on, and the prophets of today in the prophetic movement told him not to, through the Spirit, quote unquote, of God, would they claim that he's being disobedient to God? All right, this is Ted. You have a good day.